Subway Stories by the ScavenJesters. Once upon a time... Anyways, once upon a time, in the big city, in a subway, Poe Jester met a young gentleman by the name of Piggy. What was his last name? I don't remember. What was his last name?
Last name is McMasters. Piggie McMasters, yes.
Piggie McMasters. Why, hello there. What is your name?
Piggie McMasters. Piggie McMasters.
It's a pleasure to meet you. You're the first person that I've met that wears colors.
Really? I mean, this is New York City. I mean, the big city, the big potato. Or the big apple, yes. A lot of people wear color.
Really? I've been in Manhattan and everyone wears black. I don't see anyone in colors there.
Excuse me, sir. I'm here to tell you the truth, the honest truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. There is color in this city, sir.
It just doesn't make sense. I don't quite get it.
Yes, no, you know, the one thing is with the Eastern philosophy as it deals with all of the wonderful training and teaching methods to help cure sickness. It's a good thing, I think. What do you think?
I do think. Why is it that in New York City, no one wears color?
Well, sir, despite the fact that I am wearing a black hat, I do have purple hands, and I do have a black glove, and so I guess that means... Oh, and don't forget, my hat falls. Don't forget my lovely scarf. This scarf is one of the most colorful scarves that there is in the whole city of New York. I'm here to tell you.
Yes, sir, it's not that colorful. It is black, and it's gray, and it's white, which is three colors. It's three colors. But I do admit you do have several colors, and I agree that is quite some colors. That is more than I see in most of New York.
Well, sir, how say you then to me that my scarf is not the most colorful scarf you've ever seen, and as my hair goes flying around town?
This has more colors than that. Oh, it's the same, actually. It's got three colors, just like your three colors, but mine has a brighter color than your colors.
Oh, well, sir, I'm going to tell you just one thing as I adjust myself properly to defend my position in life, which is that I am more colorful than you. Look, my wonderful colors. I have a red and a blue vest. Look.
Is that red?
Yes.
Wait. There it is. A subway! The train!
The next stop is Lexington. This is Near Malta.
How was it somehow manifested that the United States was not founded until 1492? I cannot understand.
I really don't understand that question at all. I don't really quite get it. tricky. Tricky with all the hurricanes and the winter storms and the poverty of the world. It's quite tragic, don't you think?
Off to discover the new world.
So, Piggy, that was a wonderful, wonderful journey.
Well, thank you so much, Poe. It was quite wonderful indeed. Nice to meet you.
Thank you so much for showing me that this city does have a bit of color, and I see the color in you.
Oh, I see the color in you, and thank you.
And I must be going, but hopefully we will meet again.
Hopefully we shall meet again. Oh, hopefully we'll see each other very soon. Very soon.